Many people's thought, unit trust only for big capital to invest? Do you know that, just with RM100 and monthly saving planning, you can investing in funds that focus on current investment trends, such as environmental, social and governance, artificial intelligence, and real estate investment trust.
Come, let us learn more. What is eSeries of funds? These funds are available exclusively via online access. All the statements and reports of the funds are only accessible via online, to help reduce your carbon footprint, and take a step towards saving the environment. Suitable for investors who prefer convenient investing at their fingertips. These funds would enable the millennials to start investing early with low initial investment. Let us see, what are the benefits of investing in eSeries of funds? It is affordable, initial investment as low as RM100 only. Easy and convenient, transact anytime, and anywhere via online access. Lower sales charge, up to 3.75%. Most importantly, there is a wide range of fund choices. Equity, mixed asset, fixed income, bond, sukuk and money market funds are available in conventional and Sharia-compliant series.